Hello students, so in that video we have to see how to make the section elevation or the detailed views in the plan. Like if we are making one plan or drawing one building or the structure for submission drawing or for the owner's requirement, we have to make different plans or different structures of that building, such that we have to make elevation, section, shadows, that are the different types of views we have to make. So for here I make one structural drawing, just like a one room, footing, column, beams, and the structure was. So in that we have to make one elevation or section. Like in detail view there are the types of views, like elevation and the section. So for that, go to the view tab, and here in that panel, create panel, you can see there is one option as a section. Just simply select the section, and from where to where you want that section, just drag that point. Suppose I want section from this to this line. I have dragged the section and just OK. Now the section line is like that, and we are looking at this one, means we can see our eye level is here. If you want to change the eye level or change the your view, so just simply click on that arrows and you can see here. So now the section is made. So in properties panel you can see there is one option as a section. Just double click on it, and here you can make one section, that is section 1. You can see here, from that point you can drag it and make as per your requirements. Now I make it to realistic view. So in that you can see how your section is looking like after cutting the building in the middle, how it looks. So just like that we can make the sections. If we want a section like that, you can also make a section like that. So next one is that how to make a elevation of that building. For this also go to view, and here you can see elevations. Now where I want the elevation of building. Suppose I want a front elevation, then I can put that elevation point here. Suppose I want elevation of that side also, I can just drag that cursor and put where you want. So now I make two elevations, that is elevation A1. So click here, you can see the elevation is made. Just like the section, you can drag this as per your requirement. I make it realistic, so just you can look, the elevations are made. Same here for the section 2, you can also see this. Just like that we can make the detailed views in our plan. So here we can see how to make sections and the elevations